These are the Hamster Kombat combo cards today in order to earn 5 million tokens right here as the price. Now, I've already uploaded a video about the daily cipher today, which you can also earn 1 million tokens, and it's left for 6 hours 54 minutes. So go to my channel and watch this video to claim your 1 million tokens, and then we come back here and claim this 5 million, making it total of 6 million tokens for today. Now, the good thing is, even if you're a beginner or haven't done this before, I'm going to explain it in such a way so that you can also understand and also unlock today's combo card in order to earn 5 million tokens. So let's begin. If you want to switch the mode to the daily combo mode, what you want to do is to click on the daily combo right here, and then we go for the cards. Now, the first card for today is the SEC transparency, which can be found in the legal section. So click on the legal, and the SEC transparency is here. Just click on it, click on go ahead to also purchase this card. Now, I've been getting many questions about my cards are locked. How do I unlock them? I've already made a video about this. So if you're a beginner watching this video and your card is locked, go and watch that video. The link is in the comment section, the pinned comment of this video, or the description of this video. Go and watch that video. Before we move on to the card 2, for the good work that I'm doing, make sure you also like this video right now. Now, the second card for today is the gamify token, which can be found in the market section. So click on it, and the gamify token is right here. Click on it and click on go ahead to also purchase this gamify tokens. Now, there are a lot of cards here, but some of them give you high profits per hour than the others. So I'm going to bring a video on that. So make sure you also subscribe to this channel right now, because every single day I give you the daily combo as well as the daily cipher of the Hamster Kombat. I give you daily combo for the Pixel verse as well as the daily combo for gems. So make sure you subscribe for more updates. Now, the third card for today can be found in the special section right here. Just click on the special, and here what you want to do is to scroll down to the new card right here, which is the Web3 game con. Click on it, click on go ahead to also get this card, and you can see we just unlocked the 5 million tokens today. Congratulations to you if you were able to unlock this. Now, if you have any comments, any question or anything, put it in the comment section. I'll be there to answer them all for you. I'm Emmanuel, and I'll see you in the next video.